In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Notifications after scrolling down. Then select App Notifications. Click on All and tap on one of those sorting options. Finally, use blue switchers next to your apps to block all notifications from them. You can turn them back on by hitting the same no gray switchers. You can also tap on any app available on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!